Sarah found the perfect car, a reliable sedan with low mileage, priced just right for her budget. She visited her local bank, hopeful. The loan officer was friendly and took her application, promising she'd hear back in a few days. A few days turned into a week. Sarah called for updates but was told her application was still in processing, moving between departments for review. The dealership called. They had another interested buyer and couldn't hold the car much longer. The uncertainty was becoming a source of constant worry. The traditional process was incredibly slow, built on paper, manual data entry, and physical transport of files between departments. Once you submitted your application, you were left in the dark. There was no way to track progress. You could only call and hope for updates. The system was built around the bank's schedule, not the customer's, requiring time off work and multiple trips for additional documents. The digital banking revolution began changing how we manage money. Banks and fintech companies realized lending was ripe for disruption. These platforms were designed with the customer first, offering speed, efficiency, and convenience that were unimaginable just years ago. The application is broken into simple steps. You enter basic information and the platform can securely link to your bank account to instantly verify income and balances. Need to provide documents? Simply use your phone's camera. No scanners, no fax machines, no trips to copy shops. Behind the scenes, powerful algorithms analyze your credit profile and assess risk, enabling decisions in minutes instead of weeks. Mark needed a car quickly when his broke down. Using a digital platform, he went from application to approval in under 10 minutes. Getting approved in just 90 seconds. With financing secured, Mark negotiated confidently and drove off the lot the same day, transforming a week-long ordeal into a simple task. Digital platforms provide complete transparency, real-time status updates during application, and comprehensive loan management afterward. You can track your balance, set up automatic payments, and make extra payments easily, turning your loan into a manageable financial tool. The contrast is stark. What was once slow, inconvenient, and opaque is now fast, simple, and transparent. If you're planning to buy a car, don't subject yourself to the outdated process Alright, let's get straight to it. Your credit score is one of the most important numbers in your entire financial life. Think of it like a report card that tells lenders, like banks and credit card companies, how responsible you are with money. A great score can open doors to the best interest rates on mortgages, car loans, and credit cards, saving you thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. It's the key to unlocking financial opportunities. A low score, on the other hand, can slam those doors shut, making it expensive or downright impossible to borrow money when you need it most. It's not just about loans either. Landlords, insurance companies, and even some employers might take a peek at your credit history. So, if this number is so incredibly important, you can't just ignore it and hope for the best. This is where credit monitoring comes in. It's the tool that lets you keep a constant eye on this vital part of your financial health. Imagine you hired a personal assistant whose only job is to read your mail from the three main credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every single day. This assistant would immediately call you if anything interesting or alarming shows up. That's essentially what credit monitoring software does, but it's all automated, instant, and digital. When it comes to credit monitoring that plays nicely with U.S. banks, there are a ton of options, but three names consistently rise to the top: Identity IQ, Aura, and Experian Identity Works. If I had to describe Identity IQ in one word, it would be comprehensive. Its main draw is its detailed three-bureau credit reports and scores, updated monthly. Beyond the standard credit monitoring, it includes things like dark web and criminal record monitoring. It also offers up to $1 million in identity theft insurance with its premium plans. If Identity IQ is the comprehensive workhorse, Aura is the sleek, modern Tesla of the credit monitoring world. An Aura subscription isn't just about credit monitoring, it's a full digital security bundle. It includes a virtual private network, or VPN, to encrypt your internet connection, protecting you on public Wi-Fi. It even has a password manager to help you create and store strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. Experian Identity Works holds a unique position because it comes directly from one of the big three credit bureaus. The direct pipeline to Experian's database means that alerts related to your Experian credit file can be incredibly fast and accurate. One of its strongest features is its US-based fraud resolution support. The biggest pro is the trust and authority that comes with the Experian brand. Integration is what transforms a simple credit report viewer into a dynamic, real-time financial security system. This creates a much wider and more effective net for catching fraudulent activity. By linking your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to the software's dashboard, you can see your entire net worth, spending habits, and credit status all in one place. Choosing the right credit monitoring tool is a personal choice, but you can make it a smart and easy one by asking yourself a few simple questions. For students and young adults, Aura could be a fantastic choice with its easy-to-use interface and bundled digital security tools. For families and homeowners, Identity IQ is the standout choice with its detailed 3-bureau reports and family coverage plans. For business owners and security-conscious individuals, Experian IdentityWorks provides credibility and dedicated fraud resolution support. Don't be afraid to take advantage of free trials or introductory offers to test drive their platforms. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you have a guardian